Windows are an essential part of every home, offering natural light, ventilation, and curb appeal. However, over time, even the most well-maintained windows can experience issues. In Sanford, where the weather can vary between humid summers and chilly winters, your windows can face unique challenges. Knowing the most common window problems and how to address them will help you maintain comfort and energy efficiency in your home. Here are 5 common window problems you might encounter in Sanford homes and simple solutions to fix them. Condensation between the glass pane. Condensation between the panes of double or triple glazed windows is a common issue that homeowners in Sanford face, especially during humid weather or temperature fluctuations. This issue occurs when the seal around the window's glass panes breaks, allowing moisture to build up inside. How to fix it? The most effective solution is to replace the window or the glass unit. Once the seal fails, it cannot be repaired. If you notice fogging or condensation, it's essential to address it quickly to prevent further damage. If you're not ready to replace the entire window, some specialists offer services to replace just the glass, saving on costs. Make sure to maintain your windows properly to avoid this problem in the future, as weather conditions in Sanford can contribute to the wear of window seals over time. Drafty windows. Drafts are not just uncomfortable, they can also drive up your energy bills. In Sanford, where summers can be hot and winters cold, a drafty window can compromise the comfort of your home and lead to significant heat loss or gain. Drafts are often caused by gaps around the window frame or degraded weather stripping. How to fix it? The best approach is to replace old or damaged weather stripping around the edges of the window. You can purchase weather stripping at your local hardware store and install it yourself, making sure to choose the appropriate type for your window. If the draft is coming from around the window frame, you may need to reseal the window with caulk. For a more permanent fix, you might consider replacing the window if the frame itself is damaged or warped. Windows that won't open or close properly. Windows that are stuck or difficult to open or close can be a significant inconvenience. In Sanford's humid climate, moisture can cause the wood or the window frame to swell, making it hard for the window to operate smoothly. Dirt and debris in the tracks or broken hardware can also be culprits. How to fix it? Start by cleaning the tracks of the window to remove any dirt or debris. If the window is still difficult to open, you can apply some silicone lubricant to the tracks to make them slide more easily. If the problem lies with the window's hardware, such as a broken latch or lock, you can often replace the parts yourself by purchasing replacements from a local hardware store. For wooden windows, if swelling is the issue, you can carefully sand down the frame or track to allow the window to operate smoothly. Cracked or broken window pane. Accidental damage can cause your window panes to crack or break. Whether it's due to extreme weather conditions, a stray baseball, or even an improperly closed window, cracked or broken glass is both a safety hazard and an aesthetic issue. In Sanford, the intense storms can also increase the likelihood of damage to windows. How to fix it? If you only have a small crack, you can temporarily patch it with clear tape until you replace the glass. For larger cracks or broken panes, it's best to call a professional window repair company to replace the glass. Some homeowners may attempt to replace the glass themselves, but it requires precise measurements and knowledge of how to remove and install new panes safely. For added peace of mind, consider upgrading to impact-resistant glass if your home is in a storm-prone area. Window frame rot or damage over time, especially in humid environments like Sanford, wooden window frames can begin to rot or decay. This often happens when the frame is constantly exposed to moisture or if water leaks into the wood through cracks or poor seals. Rotting frames not only affect the window's functionality but can also pose a threat to the structural integrity of your home. How to fix it? If you notice small areas of rot, you may be able to treat and repair them yourself. Start by removing the rotted wood with a chisel or putty knife, then apply a wood hardener to reinforce the remaining wood. Once it's dry, fill the area with wood filler and sand it smooth. However, if the rot is extensive, it's best to replace the entire window frame. Regular maintenance, such as repainting the frames and ensuring that water doesn't accumulate around your windows, can prevent this issue from occurring in the first place. Conclusion: keeping your windows in top condition is key to maintaining a comfortable and energy-efficient home in Sanford. By addressing common issues like condensation, drafts, stuck windows, broken panes, and rotting frames, you can extend the life of your windows and avoid costly repairs down the line. Regular maintenance and timely repairs will ensure that your windows continue to perform well, no matter what the weather throws at them.